Ever wonder what happens when governments, billionaires, and Wall Street all collide with crypto on the same day? Buckle up. First stop, India. The finance ministry just called most cryptocurrencies unbacked speculative tokens that threaten economic stability. Sounds harsh, right? Here's the angle. The Reserve Bank of India is rolling out its own digital rupee, a central bank digital currency, or CBDC. By roasting Bitcoin and the rest, New Delhi's basically saying, use our coin, not theirs. If India's 1.4 billion people start transacting on a state-run blockchain, that could pressure other countries to speed up their own CBDCs while squeezing private crypto projects already struggling with regulation. Now slide over to Silicon Valley or wherever Elon Musk happens to be tweeting from today. A former Tesla insider claims Elon knew exactly what he was doing when he turned the Dogecoin meme into a market rocket. According to the whistleblower, Musk timed them around Tesla's balance sheet shifts, letting the company buy low, watch the hype spike prices, then quietly unload for profit. If that's true, it raises fresh questions about market manipulation and how the SEC treats social media megaphones. Keep an eye out. Regulators might slap new disclosure rules on CEOs with itchy Twitter fingers, and that could chill some of the wild meme-fueled swings we've gotten used to. All right, let's zoom out to the macro picture. Fears of a U.S. government shutdown and softer-than-expected jobs data just shoved a record $6 billion into crypto funds in a single week. Bitcoin, Ethereum, even smaller cap alts soaked up fresh capital. Why? Crypto trading 24/7 means no federal furlough can close its markets, and limited supply tokens offer a hedge when people worry Uncle Sam's balance sheet is wobbling. But remember, bigger inflows often juice volatility right after. Prices can rip higher and then whipsaw. Let's stitch it all together. India tries to tame the Wild West with a government-issued coin. Elon's meme mastery could invite new watchdogs, and U.S. fiscal drama is pumping billions into digital assets. The common thread? Trust. Governments want you to trust their CBDCs, influencers want you to trust their tweets, and investors fleeing traditional markets are deciding whether to trust code over Congress. Wherever your opinion lands, the tug-of-war between central control and decentralized freedom is tightening, and that tension is what makes crypto the most exciting show in finance right now. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.